Hello, lovely viewers. Welcome back to my channel again. On today's recipe, I'm preparing special jollof rice, and these are the ingredients that I will be using. I have bottle of tomatoes, then tin tomatoes. I have oil, my curry powder, my salt, seasoning. I have rosemary here. Then with the vegetables, I have the yellow, green, then red bell pepper. Then I have green beans over here. I have carrots, onions, then my ginger and garlic. Then I'm also using gizzard. Then my 2 cups of rice. So guys, with these ingredients, let's get into the process. Okay guys, this is the oil I used in frying my gizzard, and I've also added my onions to it. I'll stir fry it a bit, then add my blended ingredients, my tomatoes, pepper, ginger, garlic. Then I also added red bell pepper. So I will stir fry it a bit, then cover it and allow it to cook for a while. Okay guys, so let's check our stew. Here I'll stir it a bit, then also I will add my bottle of tomatoes to it. After adding it, I will just stir it for a while, then also cover it again and allow it to cook. Guys, here you can see that I have allowed my stew to cook for some time, so I'll stir it a bit, then add my other ingredients. At first I will add my salt. After adding my salt, I will add my seasoning, then my rosemary. After adding my rosemary, I will then add my curry powder. After adding my curry powder, I will stir it a bit, then cover it and allow it to cook for a while. So here guys, let's check our stew and stir it a bit because it's still not yet done. Then cover it and allow it to cook for a while, maybe 5 to 10 minutes. Okay guys, so here you can see that our stew is ready for our jollof rice. So I'll give it a quick stir. After giving it a quick stir, I'll just add my rice to it. So guys, after adding my rice, I'm making sure that I mix it well with the stew. Then I'll also add some small amounts of water to it. After adding the water, I'll give it a medium heat, then cover it and allow it to cook. Okay guys, so here I've given it a low heat, and also I'm trying to make sure that it does not burn, so I'm giving it a stir. After stirring it, I'll just cover it and allow it to cook for a while. Okay. So guys, whilst our rice is on fire, let's do a quick cutting of our vegetables. Okay. Okay guys, let's go and check our jollof rice. Here I've already added my gizzard. With my gizzard, I cook it and fry it a bit, and also I did a stir fry with my vegetables. So here I'm adding it, then I'll give it a quick stir, making sure that they are well mixed together. Then I'll cover it again and allow it to cook. Okay. So guys, here you can see the yummy look of our jollof rice. Our jollof rice is ready. Please don't forget to try the recipe at home, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for other videos. Please share for other friends to see my content, and also like my videos. Thank you all for watching. Love you guys. Love you. Thank you all. Bye.